Greetings, health-conscious viewer. Today, we're delving into the world of natural remedies for the common cold and cough, offering you effective ways to find relief without reaching for over-the-counter medications. If you're ready to explore these holistic solutions, don't forget to hit like, subscribe for more wellness tips, and let's embark on a journey to soothing comfort together. 10 Best Home Remedies for Cold and Cough. 1. Honey and warm water. Mix a tablespoon of honey in warm water or herbal tea. Consume this soothing concoction to ease throat irritation. 2. Ginger tea. Brew a cup of ginger tea by steeping fresh ginger slices in hot water. Add honey and lemon for added benefits. 3. Steam inhalation. Inhale steam by leaning over a bowl of hot water. Place a towel over your head to trap the steam and breathe deeply. 4. Chicken soup. Enjoy a warm bowl of homemade chicken soup. The warmth and nutrients can provide relief and hydration. 5. Saltwater gargle. Mix salt in warm water and gargle several times a day to soothe a sore throat. 6. Turmeric milk. Prepare a cup of warm milk with a pinch of turmeric. Add honey for sweetness and consume before bedtime. 7. Eucalyptus oil. Add a few drops of eucalyptus oil to hot water and inhale the steam for respiratory relief. 8. Garlic. Incorporate raw garlic into your diet or chew a clove for its antimicrobial properties. 9. Probiotics. Consume probiotic-rich foods like yogurt or take probiotic supplements to support your immune system. 10. Rest and hydration. Ensure adequate rest and drink plenty of fluids such as water, herbal teas, and clear broths. These home remedies offer a natural and comforting approach to alleviating cold and cough symptoms. If you found these tips helpful, hit like, subscribe for more holistic health insights, and let's embrace the healing power of nature together.